Hi, I'm Cole with Leisure Time. Today we're installing a tub in Rigby, Idaho today. The tub is a Caldera Reunion, so pretty nice tub. So come along with us as we do this install. Alright, so we got the tub all set in place. We've got the lifter and the cover on. So now we're just hooking it up to electrical and then we'll be able to fill it. So we've got the tub fully installed and working now. So thank you for coming with us on this install, and we'll see you next time.